Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can update BandLab app to its latest version. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. If you want to update BandLabs to its latest version, or if you want to check off updates on BandLabs app, how to do that. So what you need to do is open up the App Store or Play Store, and at the bottom right is the search, and at the top search for BandLabs like this, and the second one you can see it says as open, but if there's an update it will be written as update. Simply tap on that, and that is how you can update BandLab to its latest version. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.